Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to see about another topic in UiPath Studio, that is arguments. In our previous sessions, we have discussed about variables. So in this session, we are going to see what are arguments and what is the difference between a variable and argument. So arguments are just like variables, which are useful to transfer the data between two projects. So whereas if it is a variable, so we are using in the same project, but by transferring the data from one project to another project, we need to use the arguments. So just like in C language or in Java programming languages, we use functions or methods. So with passing the parameters, so those we are call it as arguments as well. So just like that, we are going to use the arguments here in UiPath Studio. So just like that, these are also declared at global level and which can be useful to pass the data from one project to another project. So these arguments support the data types which are supported by the variables as well, like a string, integer, 32, boolean, generic value, etc. So if you observe in the panel of variable or in argument panel, so we can observe the data types. So along with that, we need to provide the direction property to the arguments such as in out property. So to indicate the direction of data from one project to another project. So while invoking the data from one project to another project, the second project should invoke this invoke particular activity because these arguments from this activity will not go outside. So this will take the activity from take the input from other projects or another variables. So we need to invoke this activity. So and another advantage of arguments is this is helpful to communicate with the other tools. So not only with the UiPath Studio activities, it's also helpful to other tools with the help of the tool called orchestration API. So there we, with the help of the input parameters, we use these arguments. So another thing is, so these arguments are followed with a naming convention, which is camel case, upper camel case especially. So these are with prefix as in out or in or out. So here I mentioned an example, in underscore finding. So we need to declare the arguments like this, and these arguments can be converted into variables. So from the panel, which is available in the UiPath Studio, we have an argument panel, which is below the designer panel and beside the variables panel. So from there, we can convert the arguments into variables. So we'll see one example how to declare these arguments in a particular project. So for that, I will create one sequence. So I'll use the sequence as the example one. So here I will take one activity called assign and assign some value to an argument. So in the arguments panel, we can directly create an argument. So here I am going to use out activity. So I'm giving it as out underscore. So input value. So this is one of my variable which is of direction out. This is the one I want to use it as an out argument, so which is of type string. And another way to declare a variable is here also in the assign. If you observe the properties in the to field, so just use Control M. This is for creating the argument from the properties panel. Suppose if you want to create a variable, so we need to use Control key. So here we can see the difference. It's showing a set pair. So now we need to use argument. So I will use set Control to create argument. So here I use one more variable. So out underscore. So output variable. So this is another variable. So now we can see it is showing the output variable and so this. So and another thing what we can vary is, so here in this value field, so here it is showing enter a value expression. So I will do one thing, I will create one more variable like this. To string. So this variable we have not declared. Sorry, this argument we have not declared. So to convert this into argument, so highlight this and hit Control N. So now this will set the argument. So here we can see this out sample underscore is converted as an argument. So okay. Now we have few arguments set in the arguments panel. So I will remove this value as of now. So here for the output variable, so I'm going to keep the same here, and I want to invoke this output variable into my another project. So create one more sequence. So here what I need to do is, so first I need to create a variable. So here what I will do is here I'll create one variable. So I'll keep this as variable one of type string. The scope is limited to only this argument 2. So here we can observe, so here in the arguments panel we don't have scope field, but whereas in these variables we have only scope. So that is also one of the difference between argument and variable. So here I will invoke that invoke workflow activity. Just search with invoke. So you can see it as invoke workflow file. So you can see this in the invoke workflows. So invoke workflow is there. So here we need to select the workflow wherever you want to get the input from. So argument test1 is the file which we have created now. So our input variables arguments are present in that argument test1.yaml. So here click on open that file. So now this will show you the argument test or it is argument. So now if you open the import arguments, so now we can see there are 3 variables available. So here I need to use one more activity to display the message which we are invoking from the other project. So here I use message box to display the hello world which we are extracting from the argument one, argument example one. So message box is just message box. I mentioned the variable local variable value, local variable name. So now we can run this. Seems like there is some problem with the UiPath Studio in my machine, I guess. So sometimes it is showing one and sometimes it is not showing the previous declare argument. So I just updated, I ran this once and now this is showing 3 and I updated my local variable value here in the output variable. So if we run this, we are able to see the message whatever we are declared in the example. So the hello world is displaying. So like this for transferring the data from one project to another project. So we will use the arguments in our project. So I hope you like this video. So please like and do subscribe to my channel and please follow us on Facebook. We have a community in Telegram as well. I will mention the link to join in both Facebook and the Telegram in the description below. Thank you.